Welcome to my YouTube channel Mr. Math 11. Today we are going to solve for x and y. So here square root of 3 power square root of x minus square root of 3 power square root of y is equal to 720. So first of all we have to write solution. Now rewrite the same question. Square root of 3 square root of x minus square root of 3 square root of y is equal to 720. Now coming to the next step, we can write it 3 power 1 upon 2 whole power square root of x minus 3 power 1 upon 2 whole power square root of y is equal to 720. Now we have 3 square root of x over 2 minus 3 square root of y over 2 is equal to 720. This is on the basis of the formula a power m whole power n is equal to a power m dot n. Now let's suppose square root of x over 2 is a. Similarly, square root of y over 2 supposed as b. Now replace this whole term by a and this whole term by b. So here 3 power a minus 3 power b is equal to 720. Here a must be greater than b because x and y belongs to real number. Now this inequality change into equality. We have to add any general number. We can say a is equal to b plus k. So here k is any real number. Now this a replaced by b plus k. So we have obtained 3a is equal to b plus k minus 3 power b is equal to 720. So we can write it 3 power b dot 3 power k minus 3 power b is equal to 720. This is on the basis of the formula a power m plus n is equal to a power m dot a power n. Now take common 3 power b from here and here. So 3 power b into 3k minus 1 is equal to, we can write it as 9 into 80. Now we have need of b, so equate this factor to this. So 3b is equal to 9. Now 3b is equal to 3 square. Now same base power equal, so here b is equal to 2. Now finding the value of a by putting the value of b in the equation, we can say it equation a. So equation a is 3 power a minus 3 power b is equal to 720. 3a minus 3b is equal to 2 is equal to 270. Now 3 power a is equal to 720 plus 3 square 9. So here 3 power a is equal to 729. So 3 power a is equal to, we can write it 3 power 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 power 6. Now same base, power equal. So here a is equal to 6. Now finding the value of x. Initially we have supposed is a is equal to square root of x upon 2. So we put a is equal to 6 in this equation for finding the value of a. So we have to write a is equal to square root of x upon 2. Now putting the value of a is equal to 6 is equal to square root of x upon 2. 2 replaced in other side. So here square root of x. So 6 to the 12 is equal to square root of x. Now squaring both sides. 12 is equal to square root of x. Square of 12 is 144 is equal to square root cancelled with square. So here x. This is the value of x. Now finding the value of y by putting the value of b in the equation. B is equal to square root of y divided by 2, which is initially supposed. Square root of y over 2. 2 replaced other side, we get 4 is equal to square root of y. Now squaring both sides. 4 is equal to square root of y. Square of 4 is 16 and square root cancelled with the square, we get y. So y is equal to 16. So this is the value of x and this is the value of y. So we can check either these values are right or wrong. Root of 3 square root of x minus square root of 3 square root of y is equal to 720. Now putting the value of x and y in the equation, the both sides of the equation must be balanced. If the both sides of the equation is balanced, it means the value of x and y are right. So here square root of 3 square root of value of x is 144 minus square root of 3 square root of value of y is 16 is equal to 720. Now square root of 3 square root of 144 is 12 minus square root of 3 square root of 16 is 4 is equal to 720. Now we can write it square root of 3 square power 6 minus square root of 3 square power square is equal to 720. Now square root cancelled with the square. Here 3 power 6 is minus square root cancelled with square, we get 3 square is equal to 720. So 3 power 6 simplified as 729 minus 3 square is 9 is equal to 720. So 9 subtracted from this, we get 720 is equal to 720. Proved. It means the value of x and y are right. Thank you.